Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Jewelz by Natalie. We've got some fabulous green and blue earrings we're going to show today. Everything is $8. If you are new, just comment new, my friends, hashtag new. That will give a message sent to you in your Facebook Messenger or a link on the video. You can tap that and get registered to shop. You can also tap the Premier link in the description of the video to get registered to shop. Thank you guys so much for being here. You can also comment hashtag shop. And you will be able to shop my links to my Premier store. You can also comment text. We're getting in on our text alerts very soon, so you can go ahead and send me your information. And then last but not least, if you're interested in selling the jewelry yourself at a 45% discount or getting that 45% profit, you can comment hashtag info. My friends, we're going to do $8 earrings. Everything is $8. Shipping is $6.55 flat rate up to $100, and then it's free. For every 10 items you order, you get one for free. Let's start with number 301 earrings. These are going to be cute green earrings with silver. Love how lightweight those are. You're going to have 302 earrings. These are going to be a darker metal, like a silver and gunmetal together with a green and hematite stone. Very, very beautiful, lightweight. 303 will be the hematite stones with the green rhinestones, teardrop shaped, lightweight. Very beautiful. 304 is going to be an olive green design with some white rhinestones and some hematite stones as well. 304. Oh, keep in mind, my friends, I just realized I forgot to tell you this because I'm not used to it yet. I'm still getting used to it. Please comment mine. Comment mine 301, mine 302, mine 303, mine 304. Let's go to number 305. Comment mine 305 for the olive green with a very lightweight fringe. Super cute. Mine 305. Then we've got mine 306 with the hematites and green postbacks. Really cute. Mine 307 will have your crackled stone in a mint green with that cute chain fringe. Mine 307. Mine 308 will be your silver earring. You will have a green rhinestone right there in the middle of that flower. So cute. And then again at the bottom, right in the center. How cute is that design? Very lightweight, just lots and lots of movement. Mine 309 will be a beautiful pale green hoop post-back earring that goes almost all the way around. Nice lightweight. Mine 310 will be a leaf-like design. It has a brass metal in there, and it will have that big blue design. Sorry, I'm trying to get this pulled out and it's like stuck on the card. There we go. Okay, so you're going to have the brass with the little blue-green leaf. So cute. Mine 311 will be your longer clip-on earring, light green and dark green. Mine 312 will be a nice lighter weighted bead earring with 3 tiers. Very lightweight, just very large and in charge. Super cute. Mine 313. Let's see if I can get this off without shaking the phone too much. There we go. Mine 303, you're going to have this beautiful blue-green design. Super cute. White rhinestones and blue-green. Mine 314 will be a nice little leaf design. Super cute. Acrylic lightweight earring. Mine 315, let's get that one out from behind there. You will have a cute little teardrop with the design of little twists around. Mine 315. Mine 316 will be a post-back earring with a big neon green fringe. It's very heavy as well, very bold. I have it in pink as well. Mine 317 will be your blue earrings. You're going to have cute little blue little crystals on the bottom that dangle, very lightweight. Mine 318 will be a mirror earring with brown wood and then the turquoise wood at the bottom. Okay, Mine 319, you'll be a very large and in charge of marble design with some cute iridescent light design going on in there. Mine 320 will be a teal earring, post-back seed bead earring, very lightweight and super cute. Mine 321 will be a royal blue with that really nice design going on in the center with the flowers. Mine 322 will be a very large acrylic with silver. It'll have the blue, the yellow, the purple, and the white. It's probably medium weight, not lightweight. And then our last earring today will be Mine 323. Dark blue rhinestones, white rhinestones, and a post-back. Okay? If you see any of those pieces that you cannot live without, just go ahead and comment mine and then the number to claim. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Happy Wednesday, and as always, my friends, stay fabulous.